Hey guys, in this video we're going to go for a ride on the brand new Lectric Xpedition. This is the 2.0 model, and I'm taking Toby with me. So we got the Toby trailer hooked up here. He's got a grooming appointment in about 45 minutes, so we're going to run him down to the groomer and drop him off, and then I'm probably going to grab some lunch while I'm out. So yeah, I got the Toby trailer hooked up. I had to finagle it a little bit because the footboard's down here, but we do have it hooked up with a standard hitch. I just researched Lectric does have a hitch designed to attach to the footboard tubes to make it a lot easier to hook up a trailer. I ordered that, so it's on the way, but for this time, well, I have to do what I have to do. So we've got it all secure there, everything's tightened down, it's connected to the axle bolt like a standard hitch is on a bike, and I do have the safety strap on there. And let's see, I've got my helmet set out. I just need Toby. That's what I need a Toby. And we'll get him up in there. We're not gonna have the Toby cam on today because just don't have time for it. We're not going to mess with that, but let's go grab Toby and get him in there. Oh boy, it's an exciting day, isn't it? Oh my goodness, he knows something up because I grabbed the leash. Oh boy, come on Toby. Oh boy, here we go. Dude, look, we got the Toby trailer out. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Hey, what's wrong with you? He's like, give me some loving first. Okay, come on, get in there. With all that cat hair from when Jack was with us last time. Get your tail in. I want to zip it up. Hey, dude. Get in there. Get your nose in there. Oh, that's not, okay. Oh, foul. Let's get this in here. That zipped up. He's all secured. Let's see what we broke on the brand new bike. All right. Good to go. So, here's my temporary fix, guys. I put a secondary kickstand on here. It is too difficult to get this thing on and off, this kickstand. And the kickstand I chose, or the one that I had available, goes around the tube like that, right? And it's kind of cool, works. But as you see, it can't withstand the weight of the bike. And I had this problem on another bike, and it slowly will slip out, and then the bike just falls over. But I found a solution. I found another kickstand that I just ordered, and it has set screws. So once you kind of get it on there, you lock it down as tight as you can get it, you think it's not moving, then it still has a set screw that you can kind of, unfortunately, drill into the frame to keep that from happening. So I do have one of those on order because this bike needs a regular kickstand. Okay, let's see, what do we got? So no damage. Oh, one little scuff. One little scuff right there. Oh, at the very end, oh doggone it, the very end, right there, and I don't see any scuffs anywhere else. So, oh, right down there too, that's where it touched. That almost rubs off. All right, it is what it is. All right, here we go. Oh, Toby loves going for rides. He does. He's just like, man, anytime he sees the Toby trailer getting repositioned in the garage, he gets excited because he just wants to go, and get out. So I know he's going to enjoy this. What he doesn't know is he's going to the groomers. He doesn't like that so much. So this is a Xpedition 2.0. Super nice. They did it right. From what I've been able to tell, probably the best cargo bike on the market. Really good quality. They got nice features on there, good components. And the torque sensor is light on your feet, so it's not like you're having to put a lot of a lot of effort into it. You have to put a little, but you don't have to put a lot. So I think anyone could ride it comfortably. Front suspension, that's working out real nice so far. I'm currently in pass 2, and I'm in 6th gear over here. It does have an 8-speed gear set on it, which is super nice. I'm gonna bump it up into pass 3. Yeah, a lot of traffic, so I apologize for all the traffic noise. I'd rather be on the other side, because that way when these cars are going by, they don't blast you with air, and plus on the other side, the sidewalk is a little further away. This bike is just incredible. Incredible value. It comes in 3 versions. You have a single battery version, which is, what was it, 13? No, 14? I forget. 13 amp hour. I think it was 13. And then I have the dual battery version, which makes it 26. And then they have an extended range, which is 2 17.5 batteries, so it gives you about 35. Oh boy, it's trash day. We got to get around all the trash. You know what? We're going to cross right here. Look, there's nobody coming at us. I'm going to cross over to the median. get over there to the other side. And look, if we hurried, we could have made it right here too. We are gonna make it. There we go. Made it to the other side safely. See, I prefer to be over here because you're a little further away from the sidewalk. In some places we get sidewalk, street I mean. In some places you do have to get close. What I don't like is over here on this side, they have a lot of these little spots where it's hard to get on and off the sidewalk. Nobody coming from behind, clear coming across. Like right here, I'm gonna have to do a really sharp switchback. And then when you've got something really long like the Xpedition with a trailer on the back, just makes it a little more challenging. How you doing back there, buddy? You doing all right? Maybe I should watch where I'm going. Ah. Hey, yeah, that's me. Here we go. Here's the bike. That's how long it is. There's Toby back there. I don't know if I got the camera angle right, but yeah, maybe I do. Maybe I don't. Does he look amused? Does he look happy? Does he look terrified? I don't know. I'll find out when I edit the video later. Get you back up here where you belong. Get you situated. Tighten you down so you don't wiggle around too much. Yeah, super nice bike. Oh my goodness. You know, I often refer to bikes about how smooth they are, and I don't know how else to describe it. It's just the pedal feels slippery like butter. Just, you know, you don't have to put a whole lot of effort into it. And there's just, it's just like, it's, I don't know, hard to describe. It just rotates so nice. Bingo today. Anybody play bingo? It seems like you play bingo 2 times in your life. Two time periods in your life, right? You might play bingo as a kid because it's all fun and, you know, but then you play bingo when you're a senior because seniors get together and they have bingo nights, and at least it's usually seniors. I know young people go there too sometimes, but anytime I've ever seen like a bingo game being talked about, advertised on TV, in the movies, whatever, it just seems like it's seniors. And since seniors are the majority of the people on this channel, I'm guessing a lot of you play bingo. So do this for me. Down in the comment section, just type in bingo and let me know if you do or not. Toby, you good, buddy? Are you good? You having fun? Oh, he's ecstatic. All right, here we go. So now we have to get off this dumb sidewalk right here by making a sharp left, making a sharp right. Try not to run the people over there that come across the street. Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Great, you're on camera.
Well, that's cool.
Here we go. Here we go up the other side. See, that side's much easier. I don't get it. Now we got a section through here. We're going to be next to the street, but at least we're going with traffic. Woo, a little close to the edge there. Richard, trying to avoid what turned out to be a banana peel. We wouldn't want to slip on a banana peel now, would we? Wouldn't want to dump Toby and I off into the street either because we got too close to the edge. That'd be a disaster. I don't have mirrors yet on the Xpedition. As soon as I get the full review out of the way with, you know, without really changing things up, I'll be adding mirrors on it, my cell phone holder. I went ahead and put the kickstand on it because, well, that was necessary. Yeah, we got a little debris here. Straight. It's gonna get a little rough there, Toby, but we're gonna try out these suspension forks. Oh, big roots right here, though. That's hard on the little guy. There we go. Hello. Big roots right there. Big roots right there. That worked out pretty good. You still back there, Toby? Yeah, buddy. We're gonna wait for this guy to come across over here. There we go. There we go. Yeah, so this is our new shopping complex. It got built within the last 1.5 years. Got a lot of new stores just opened up, some nice places to eat, give us some variety. Hey, there's the food care. That's the food care I sold this gentleman. that lives not too far from me. Yeah, that's kind of cool. All right, I think we need to get up on the sidewalk to get up there, but let's see. Yeah, there's a place up there next to the store. Pet Supplies Plus. Nice store, we like it. They do a really good job inside there. You get his hair cut, and his nail trimmed, and everything else trimmed and squeezed and squished and poked and prodded. Oh, you know what I don't have? I don't have my bike lock. Oh, he's eager. Hey, buddy. Hold on, dude. Hold on, wait. Boy, he come popping out of there quickly, didn't he? I don't know if you saw that. He's like, get me out of here. You are filthy, dude. Let me see. Let me see. Allergies. You got some goopy in your eye. Okay, get down. Come on. As he comes bailing out. All right. Well, that's what it looks like. Let's hope it's still here when we come out. Oh boy, we have to walk past the fun aisle here with all the toys, all the kibble. Oh, there's another dog down there. We better, let's detour. Let's hope we don't have to wait too long. I don't dare walk Toby past that window, that glass. Well, we're still waiting. Okay, we're gonna go to the other side so they can see us. Because it looked like a social visit to me and we don't have time for that. Oh, there's another good aisle, Toby. Treats. I see it. I can see the Toby trailer still there. Yeah. It's good. Right outside the cashier window there. Come on, dude. Come on, hurry. There's a sign there that says, walk-in nail trims welcome. Well, that's probably what it is. I can still see the Toby trailer. I just can't tell if anybody's messing with it. I think we're about done. Hey, dude, over here. All right, let's go.
Why are you looking at me like that? You don't want to come?
There you go.
Come on.
Hey, buddy. Have fun, dude. Bye. See you guys in a couple hours.
Yeah. I'll give you
Go on, dude.
Come on.
He's always that way. He's like, no, don't make me.
Oh, yeah. Hi, Toby.
He's like, Daddy, don't leave me.
Your daddy will be right back.
Thanks. Lunch. What are we going to do for lunch? So here's the plan, guys. I'm going to close out this video. I'm going to go grab some lunch. And then I'm going to go back to the house. When I come back later in a couple hours to pick up Toby, I'll just do it in the truck probably. But it was a nice ride, and I hope you enjoyed it too. If you have any questions, please drop them down below. Any comments, suggestions, complaints, get enough of those, so you can leave those off. And until next time, I'll see you in another video. Ride responsibly, ride safe.